Okay guys, I actually got this working now that I'm done with the training. So I'm going to show you. You're looking at my phone screen, and I'm going to show you how I do quickly create a phone app to use digital vision board. So the app that I use is here, this one, PicStitch. I use a paid version. So when you go into PicStitch, you have all these grids. Oops. And this is what I use. So you have all these images. Um, I'm going to create a phone screen. So what I like about this is if you go to aspect and you see all different kind of design, if you keep scrolling to the right, they already have Facebook cover and screen. So that's the phone screen. So I choose that, and now it's right here. I don't like to have such thick white borders, so I change it to maybe very little. There we go. So now I have template to do vision boarding, and then all you have to do is tap the picture and choose the pictures you want to have. So we think about this: money, growing the sisterhood, I want to get better in yoga, I want to go to Korea. Let me just keep coming up with that. Being debt free, sensation of being really totally free and flowing. Let me just make, and then more, romantic getaway with my husband. Let's just do that. So then you could just put things, literally just point and put those in, right? See how quick it is? Maybe this, I like this image because it gives the, like, totally being, so you could drag it, change it. What else? Korea. So I want to go to Korea. So that's a Korea trip. See? Let me just do it really quick. Sisterhood, because I want to grow alpha female sisterhood. Well, that doesn't look so great. So I'm going to, so you could just switch it, change it, and then romantic getaway with my husband. There you go. So here it is. I'm actually going to do no border. There you go. So then you export, and you could save on your photo album. And then now you could see on my photo album, the vision board. Come on, CO. All the way at the bottom. Here's my vision board that I just did. You could go save icon, and then here there's an option. Where is that? I think there's an option here. Here it is. Use as wallpaper. You see that? You could use that as a wallpaper. There you go. I'm going to cancel it because I have one I already enjoy here. So that's how you do it. I'm glad I was able to show it to you.